We are presenting here all of very familiar Japanese methods to lose belly fat. We will guide you how to perform all of them step by step and how does these works. So please watch this video till the end. You can choose which one is easiest for you. Please don't forget to share your experience in comments. Let's start. Number 1. Towel technique. In this technique, we will show you just 3 steps to complete this superb fat burn exercise. If you want to have perfect posture and to lose belly fat, all you need is a towel and 50 minutes every day. You can do this exercise 2 to 3 times in a day. How to do this? Roll a medium-sized towel to form a thick cylinder not less than 14 inches long and approximately 4 inches wide. Wrap it with some sort of string so it stays put. Lay down on your back so that the towel is placed at the parallel to your navel against the small of your back. Place your feet shoulder width apart. Your toes should be touching each other. Stretch your arms above your head, palms down with your pinkies touching. Make sure your toes and pinkies are facing each other. Lay still in this position for about 5 minutes. Finish this exercise slowly with no sudden jerking motions. How does the towel exercise work? This exercise encourages weight loss and also helps to effectively cure your back aches. It strengthens your abdominal muscles, back pain, and the layer of fat around the belly are basically the results of misplaced pelvis. Number 2. Breathing technique. This technique has been scientifically approved. This looks interesting that we can weight loss by just breathing for 2 minutes, but it really works. This technique is accidentally discovered by a Japanese actor, Mike Wazowski. He was doing this exercise to get relief from back pain. This technique prescribed by his doctor and takes only 2 minutes to perform. This helped him lose 13 kg weight and 4.7 inches from the waist within a few weeks. How it works? Fat is made of oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen. The secret of this technique lies in your breath. When the oxygen we breathe reaches fat cells, they break down into water and carbon. The more oxygen you inhale, the more fat you burn. Then you exhale as carbon dioxide. How we can perform? For losing belly fat quickly, you need to perform this belly fat exercise for anywhere between 2 to 10 minutes every day. Stand up straight, push one leg forward, keep other leg back. Strain the butt and transfer all of your body weight to the foot in the back. Lift your arms above the head. Inhale slowly for 3 seconds. Exhale forcefully for 7 seconds. Strain all your body muscles. What is Japanese water therapy? The Japanese water therapy helps in cleaning your stomach and boosting your digestive system. Japanese traditional medicine recommends drinking water right after waking up early morning. These early morning hours are considered to be golden hours, and it is believed that drinking water during this period not only promotes weight loss by smoothing your digestive system but can also help in treating various health problems. What does the Japanese water therapy suggest? As soon as you wake up in the morning, drink 4 to 6 glasses of water on an empty stomach. Water should ideally be consumed at room temperature or lukewarm. You can also squeeze some fresh lemon juice in it. Brush your teeth after drinking water. Avoid eating or drinking anything for at least 45 minutes, after which you can continue with your daily routine. After every meal of the day, do not eat or drink anything for at least 2 hours. Make it a point to never drink or eat while you are standing. The Japanese theory also states these important points. Walk quietly every day for at least an hour. Chew your food properly before gulping it down, as it helps in better digestion of food. Benefit of Japanese water therapy. Japanese water therapy helps relieve stress, promotes weight loss, and ensure a strong digestive system. Most of all, it keeps you energetic throughout the day. Drinking enough water during the day also revs up your metabolism. Apart from this Japanese techniques for quick belly fat loss, you also need to make modification in your diet. Following are the foods you need to eat and avoid for losing belly fat quickly: deep fried and junk food, sugary drinks, fruit juices, white bread, pasta, alcohol, especially beer, sugary foods and desserts.